All right, back in the big building.
Welcome, John Ross.
What? Guys, we made it. But listen, I have to pee so bad. If I had had a Gatorade bottle in the car, I would have used it. Oh, he's got Rolls smoke out here. Woo. This is the best ever right here. That's awesome. All right, let's go look at this Rolls smoke real quick. This car is so cool. It's LS swapped Rolls Royce. All right, guys, so you saw we made it. We are finally putting gas in the cart. That was pretty close. All right, I'll introduce you guys to JR in just a minute. All right, guys, you've heard me talk about him. You've literally heard me talk about him for a week. Oh crap, we're gonna die right here in this park, in this neighborhood. Sorry.
My eyes got real big. I was like, man, that's like a ton of big trucks in the neighborhood.
Yeah. All right, this is WatchJRGo.
Hey.
If you haven't followed his channel yet, you're a dumbass. You need to go do that right now. Yeah, so we're gonna do fun stuff. Again, drove 4 hours to get here, and he's gonna show me a great time. It's great. He said,
Go that way.
He said
our plans got changed last minute. I got a phone call. All right, back in the big building.
Welcome, John Ross.
what? All right, guys, so you know the reason I came up here was to see the warehouse.
That's right.
I mean, dude, this thing is crazy. 20,000 square feet.
Yeah.
It's the largest.
Automotive shop on all of the YouTubes. And
God, he's such a badass. It's awesome. If you had a 20,000 square foot warehouse, what would you do with it? It's awesome. So, hey, tell us the thought process in the lights, because like that's what I like about your brain. You're like next level stuff.
Well, we actually had some design going into this. This was all laid out in Luminaire, and we have the like lumen output per foot for the entire shop, right? So there's like a grid that shows where the lights are, and then on the floor, every single 1 foot, it's scaled down, right? It shows me what the candle power will be from the lights because they're modeled, right?
Jeez,
so
that's awesome.
We're going for over like it's either 100 lumen or 100 candle power per single square foot. So
wow.
You know, normal like lighting systems are around 60 bright. And car dealerships are about the only place to look for 100 on the showroom floor, right? It's in Toyota's spec that they want 100. And I think we actually exceeded 100 everywhere.
That's great.
So it's outrageously bright.
Right, and the benefit of that too is because like all the car stuff you'll be doing in here, like
well,
there's no bad lighting in here.
Right. When you drop a bolt or you drop a nut, you have to go get a flashlight, you know, and you put it on the floor, and it's, right? That way you can find it. If the light's bright enough, you can just see it.
That's right.
So
and look at this thing.
The light is bright. Yeah, so this is my super hang-on. We're getting it restored. I'm going to do some of the cleanup, and we're going to LCD swap it. We got a whole bunch more arcade machines coming, obviously. All the rest of these lights are going to go up tomorrow. We'll have a lot.
Look at all those.
A lot of lights.
And now you dropped the link a couple times in yours, so I'd love to do that in mine. Who did you get them from?
GetJL.com.
GetJL.com. Awesome. And then you cut this wall out because you're going to do like a
huge
whole
60-foot long balcony. Yep. 70-foot long almost when it sticks out.
Wow.
So it's 60 foot to the back wall, and it's going to come out. So
that's cool.
Yeah, all the metal for the balcony's right here, of course.
Oh,
That's what these like 60-foot long beams are.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the supports are all over there, all the big metal.
That's crazy.
So we're ready to stand the balcony up almost immediately.
Wow.
So and there will be a bunch of different lighting over here, which is why this is dark, but this is 9 of the same lights. And this is where
that's crazy.
Building the X5 over here.
Yeah, this is the $1 X5?
The one I'm giving away basically.
Wow.
So, you know,
awesome.
Working away on that. Garage doors are on the way.
Yeah.
Badge access, cameras everywhere, tons of cameras, plenty of power. Pretty epic audio system so far. Lots to go on that.
Holy, look at the wire.
On my Ethernet.
Yeah.
And honestly, like that switch is completely full. I didn't think I was going to need a 48, and I needed the 24 port switches because they have PoE++ and more of it. I think there's 8 PoE++ in the 48. And if I do 224s, I got 16 PoE++, which was a weird thing.
I don't even know what that means, but it sounds awesome.
Well, everything's power over Ethernet, so I don't need any like transformers or adapters anywhere. Everything is run from the switches, and the switches have battery backups, so everything stays running forever. Right. That's
cool. So what will your total, I guess, floor space up here be on the balcony?
A couple, like one to 2,000. I was thinking 800. But I think it's a little more than that after it's all.
Yeah, so you're 60 feet and then however wide, 20. Yeah. So what will you be looking over then? Like, will your car stuff be here?
So this is the detail shop over here, and that'll be a full detail shop with a washout bay and everything, right?
Oh, nice.
Bathrooms, showers, and stuff. That'll be back up there. I'm going to put a kitchen here. This is going to be an all-glass conference room where all this stuff is.
What?
Yeah, solid, like big, thick glass. And then this is where my R8 and maybe whatever else would be parked. Right?
Yeah.
And then upstairs is all hangout. Yeah, arcade and stuff like that.
That is so cool, man.
Yeah, and then of course the lifts will be here tomorrow for the front end. And like I said, the lights should be wrapped up tomorrow. Lifts will go in the next day or the next day. And the concrete guy should be knocking on a door in 30 seconds. Cut this whole section out.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna have them cut way back and take out all of the problem areas and this hole and just re-pour it.
Ah, there you go. That makes sense.
It should be perfect.
God, dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we're in the business building now.
Business side.
It's a business side. So you got his office down there.
Yeah, I got it's just a desk. No, it's
well,
nothing fancy. And then
these people don't need to know that. So we're back in the employees only area.
Yeah, bathrooms.
Yeah, yeah. If you haven't seen those videos, you got to watch those. They did that in like a day, day and a half.
We did.
Yeah.
And then I brought the 350Z over here, did a few donuts.
Yeah, this is the fun place right here. All the cool cars. Oh, yes, please. Yeah. And the Ford truck, what year is it?
65.
5, yep.
Yeah, so I've got the interior for this showed up. Every single factory piece. So now I just need that brand new factory body and we'll have a new car.
There you go.
New engine, new body, new interior. Every single piece. And it's all perfectly stocked. But
that's awesome. Yeah.
Except the engine.
Yeah. Holley sniper set up on
Sniper 4250 or whatever. The big sniper.
This is a nice truck, dude.
I love the 65.
Oh man, I'm telling you. Just the fenders, you know what I mean? Like fenders and like this part of the door.
Too bad it's all dirty. It doesn't accentuate the flowing body very well. I love this thing.
Yeah, what a cool truck. And then obviously, you know, this truck.
Got the Viper truck.
Yep. And then the Drift 350Z.
Drift Z, that's it.
Fun.
It comes out when I need to swing a car around for a little bit.
Right.
Got the 944.
And then this one, I mean, dude.
My baby.
Yeah.
I don't care who hates it. I love the wrap. I love that it's partially done just like all the other Bape wraps on all the Lambos. It was supposed to just be, when they do the Bape Lambos, they take this camo and they do half the car in that, and then they do matte black at the other half.
Nice.
And this is the exact same thing.
Right?
Yep. So, love it.
This is such a cool bike.
Man, it's great to ride.
Feel that raw power, dude.
Man, you are at 99,600 miles. Yeah. This is a new car. Where'd you get one with such low miles?
Hey, it had never been smoked in either.
That's crazy. It has now. Lots of tire smoke.
Yeah. All right. Before we get down to it though, this is a reminder. This car is being given away when the channel hits 1 million views. The way to enter is down below. Full details, all that kind of crap. But basically, subscribe to us here and follow us on Instagram. All right, let's get to work. You're gonna have to put some spin in that tire.
Oh, you really gotta get going?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes! Guys, we just had approval to go ham. That's awesome.
What a monster. It's so easy to spin it sideways too. It's like kind of a perfect combo. You just like touch it, get a little bit of wheel spin, and it just goes.
It just goes around. It whips.
Yeah.
What's fun is, all right, I had a lot of everybody should have a car they don't care about at one point in their life.
Yeah, just to have fun and enjoy life.
Yep.
Here we go. There's no escaping now.
I know it. Probably should have peed. Hang on. I got 4 hours. Let me go take a leak.
Okay.
That's an afterthought.
Yeah, not a good one.
Go to the
Either.
bathroom, man.
On the front. All right, so we're front,
No,
back, whatever.
Yeah. Front, back, side to side. What's that song?
Something like that. Ludicrous. Okay. You want it to come up a little more so you have like a real seal? Yeah, that sounds nice. I like that. Cool. All right, we'll really hammer this one home.
All right. Luckily, Aaron's out here tonight, so he's gonna
What am I cutting?
the tape, yeah. So I can get out of this thing. 483 miles today is what I've driven. It's been, I feel like, a day of it. So, all right, we're home. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you're still watching this, thank you. And we post videos Tuesdays and Fridays. We post every day to Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, see you guys.